Happy New Year's Day, everyone, and welcome to 2026. Join me today as we ride the R46 subway car on a Rockaway Shuttle. Looks like I was too far away and missed this train. That's okay, we can wait for the next one. Luckily for us, we got a whole empty car for ourselves. About the R46. So, they were built between 1975 and 1978 by Pullman standard. They are the second 75 feet long cars in the New York City subway system, with the first being the identical R44. Each car is equipped with 4 General Electric motors, each producing 115 horsepower. During their early years, they were plagued with cracks found on their bogies or trucks. As part of the general overhaul program, they were rebuilt by Morrison Knudsen between 1990 and 1992. As of January 2026, the R46 fleet has decreased considerably as they're being phased out in favor of the new R211s. Aside from the Rockaway Shuttle, they are currently still running on the N, Q, and W lines. The legroom on the forward/rear seats are not the greatest, but they're still very comfortable, and they're great for trips less than an hour. On the interior wall of the R46 is the New York State Coat of Arms logo. Personally, I love the interior of the R46 with the yellow and orange seats and the fake wood trims. By the way, the B car, like this one we are on, without the driving cab, seats 76 individuals, while the A car is the one with the driving cab, seats 70. Above is the LCD destination screen, which was retrofitted on the R46 when it was rebuilt during the general overhaul. The prototype car, the R110B, also have a similar sign like this one. Wait, that's an interesting road sign on that R46 over there. Let's take a closer look when our train opened its doors. Well, that's weird. It's like someone drew the road sign on a piece of paper and stuck it on. Still an interesting sight to see. Before we conclude, let's take one last look of our R46. It's sad to see the R46 go, especially with the R211s replacing them. Those trains have personality, whether it was the fake wood trim or the forward and rear facing seats. I will always remember how they felt when they hit full speed on the express routes, especially on the A and Q lines. It's the little things like that, those unique experiences, that makes riding the R46 something special. So, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you again next time.